Hey guys, back with another unboxing. This is actually huge. I ordered a bunch of crap from this dude on Facebook, Fidelis, a long time ago from China, and it's here. And I spent a lot of money, so let's do it. There's a lot of stuff in here. Hopefully I like some of the stuff, but some of the stuff I know I like because there's the soap, ACEDC soap. Let's just dump it out, shall we? I ordered way too much shit. God, what did I do? Okay. I don't even remember half the shit I ordered. What is this? Oh, this just, there's nothing in here, right? No, this is just padding. Okay. What is that? Oh, these are, oh, I ordered some extra balls to go with this stuff. What do I open first? I'm actually really curious about this bubble thing. Open it this way. Now, some people said that this thing is shitty, but guess we'll see. I was just curious about it, and they have a bunch of different designs. And this one is like the actual bubble. So it's not like, I guess that this one may have more feedback. I don't know. Kev at Lefty EDC said it was not good, but he originally thought it was good. So then he ordered the Zerk and he wasn't happy with the Zerk. So, oh, look at that thing. Little crying face. I know that you can get this sandwich thing that goes with it. I'm not really getting a lot of feedback. Oh, I know that you can change up the balls. How the hell do you even get it off? It says 290 on there. Oh. Dude, get off my computer, cat. Shit. Okay. So I don't know how I would get it off. I normally don't like opening all this shit on camera, but God. So these are extra stuff. There's springs and shit. I don't even know. Is this how I'm supposed to open it? I don't even know. Why is it like locked together like that? Huh? I mean, it feels pretty sturdy in my hand, but okay. Now what? Oh. Oh shit. I think I want to put these balls in there, or do they already have the balls in there? I don't fucking know. I know this stuff is highly customizable. And there's like a sandwich thing you can put in there. Shit. Hoping them. Oh. So there's these springs. Hold on, let me show you guys what I'm working with here. There's these springs in here. Oh shit. And I guess the springs are supposed to make a difference of some sort. Fuck. This one doesn't even feel like it's doing anything. This spring. Maybe they put it inside out. This goes on top. I know there was another ball here somewhere, fuck. I don't even know where to put it. Did I lose a ball? Well, here's one, but that's not the one that I needed. And then this goes in there. Good job, Melanie, for losing a ball already. So let me put one of these extra balls in here. But I know that you can get this like accessory kit that's like $100 or something. Shit. Is that ball the same as the other balls? And why is this guy so little? That looks like a smaller ball. What the fuck? Why is there a tiny ball? Let me get one out of this. Here. Are they all the same size? It's hard to tell. I don't fucking know. All right. Well, I guess let me put this back on. Oh, wait. No, hold on. This goes on here. Yeah. Oh, shit. What the hell? Oh, okay, here we go. So, let's tighten this bitch up. Maybe it might be good to get the sandwich thing that comes with it. But this obviously doesn't have any mechanical mechanism. I mean, I like the design of it. Maybe those different types of balls and stuff will make a difference. This thing cost me like $100. So see, that made a difference. Right off the bat, I don't like it. I'm gonna have to spend some time with it though, but right off the bat, it feels like a waste of money. But I'm gonna spend some time with it, and I'm gonna do a recheck. But alrighty, well that's disappointing. Okay, let's continue on. Maybe that's why there's a crying face, because you wasted your money. All right, what else do we have here? Oh, this is an ACEDC haptic coin. It's a donut. It's clear. They have them in all different colors. Oh yeah. See, I told you, the coins that are lighter have more of a pop. This is like the loudest coin I've ever heard. Sweet, I love it. Okay, so this thing was like, fuck, I don't even remember, 50 or 60 bucks, something like that. But like I said, they have them in all different colors. Green and red. And let me see a little bit. This thing kind of messed up here. Okay. All right, that thing's good. What's this? Okay, so this is the soap in stainless steel. This thing is about 100 bucks. I did get the extra balls for it because the acrylic balls actually make a difference. Get some goodies. I love their packaging. This one's brand new. Okay, this one is a favorite of a lot of people because it acts like a worry stone. Oh yeah. Which balls are in here? Got these black ones. The acrylic ones are a little bit more poppy. I paid extra to get this little package here. These are the ones that I wanted. These acrylic ones. So I'm just curious. I just want to pop it out real quick. You know, sometimes I got this as a loan, originally as a loaner from Lefty EDC, and I got it in Zerk, and I thought it was the Zerk that made it awesome, but I think it's just awesome on its own. Shit! I lost one already! But I don't know why, but the acrylic little balls, like, make it jump almost. But yeah, Sean, oh yeah, that's right. Sean Dumas said that he loves his stainless steel one. Yeah, it's good. Perfect. I don't know where that little ball went, but I will worry about it later. But yes, highly, 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 highly recommend. I knew that this would be good, but the key is you got to get the different types of balls to go with it. It really makes a huge difference. So acrylic balls. But yeah, this thing is actually not too big. Oh, I love it. Okay. I don't even know what the fuck this is. Oh, this is that Mr. H thing. I saw, it's a haptic coin. I saw Sean with it, and I was so intrigued that I ordered one, but he said that it wasn't all that good. Holy shit. It comes fully disassembled? No way. What the fuck? That's some bullshit. And then what is this? Some kind of lanyard or something? I don't even know. What the fuck? I'm not paying money to have something disassembled. Shit. Oh, This is some bullshit. God. What the fuck? Okay, so obviously we've got a bearing in here. Oh my god, look at this crap. Alright, hold on. I want you guys to feel my pain. Okay, so we've got a bearing, which I would imagine goes right in there. Right? I guess it does. I don't know. And then these things go in here. Right? I don't know where else they would go. So I'm just trying. Okay, so trying. I don't even know if I'm doing this shit right. What the fuck? So the magnets go inside? What is that? What is this thing here? Oh, this is a bearing within a bearing, I guess. Right? Shit. They told me not to use my knife to pry shit. But I don't have a pry bar. Fuck. This thing is some bullshit. How the hell do I get this off? Or is it supposed to stay like that? I don't know. Does this go inside or outside? Oh, maybe I could use this. Okay. Fuck. I might have to make this into 2 different videos because this shit is getting long. So does this go on the outside? Right? I think the magnets go in here. Shit. Right? If I get this right, it's gonna be a fucking miracle. This thing was expensive also, it was like $180. They're probably like, stupid American, Now I don't even know how to flip this shit over with keeping it in one spot here. Fuck. Do I have to worry about polarity? I don't know. Maybe I need to do like one at a time. Shit. Some of them fell on the fucking ground. So maybe I need to do like this part right here. Like that. I don't fucking know. I'm probably doing this shit wrong. Like that. Holy shit. I'm fucking that up. All right. I don't know. I'm gonna have to, I don't know. Is it this way that I do it? What the hell? Seems like this would be the way to do it. Does this go in there? This is a magnet. Fuck. I'm gonna have to mess with this thing. I have no idea. I'm gonna have to do an updated video. I don't know. Didn't think I'd have to assemble this bullshit. God. Holy hell. That is insane. Alright, well, that sucks. Okay. What is this shit? How come I can't open it? YEZ? I don't even know what the hell I ordered. Oh, there's these little clasps here. Look at that. Some of these cases are kind of crazy. I can't even open this bullshit. Pull the tab? Come on, man. This has got to be the worst unboxing ever. What's that? There's no other clasps. Let me zoom out. Please don't tell me I'm not gonna be able to open this fucking thing. Holy shit. This is definitely not the day for me. Come on, bitch. Ugh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Man, I manhandled it. Oh, that hurt. Shit. We got some extra stuff in here. So this, I've been wanting to check out. This is the YEC speed slider. So, ooh, it's heavy. It's got one of those, some of the features that I like. Get off the fucking table, cat. It's got some of the features that I like. So let's see. What the hell? So this. Man, now you can see why you shouldn't order shit from fucking China. Are these magnets supposed to be here? I think they are. But what goes in here? What's this? Magnet shrink's good though. But what the fuck is that? I don't understand. I wish this shit came with some fucking directions. Is that a stopper? Oh, that's probably what that is a stopper. Okay, so that's the motion. So these stay in there, and they move along this track, and that moves along that track. What is that? These are more screws. Why is it? What the fuck is there shit? I wonder if there's shit missing in here. I don't. Are you supposed to be able to take this shit out? I don't know. All right, well, I'm gonna have to do a full review of these things, but right off the bat, nice feedback, really nice feedback. And this motion right here is what brought me to this. The only thing is this keeps coming off. Oh, probably because I'm kind of pulling on it. That's interesting. I wonder if you could take this middle part out. No, because it needs a track to slide on. I think these are in there. I can't get them out. Does it matter which way it goes? Oh shit, yep. I guess it has to go this way. All right, well, I'm gonna have to mess with it. Definitely not closing that box again. Holy shit. Okay, what do I have? I got two more things to open. What is that? Oh, this is the T1. My friend over at Lefty EDC said that this is the shit. And I was like, I don't know. And he's like, it's the shit. I was like, are you sure? And he's like, it is the shit. And I was like, all right, well, I guess I'm gonna have to try it. Ugh. So he got his insert, but I'm not that fancy. Well, here we go, some PFE tape. That's pretty nice that they put that in there. I don't think there's anything else. Okay, well, at least this case was able to open. So, oh. Okay, it's nice and heavy. So these buttons don't do anything. Hold on. What the hell? Oh, wow, feel that. That's nice. There's already some kind of tape on it. Why does it keep popping off? Why is the motion so weird? Maybe I'm holding it wrong. Why does it keep popping off? Shit. Am I not doing this shit right? That's how you're supposed to do it? Or you're supposed to go like this? I don't even know how to fucking use this thing. Why does it keep popping out? The feedback is nice. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, got it. Still a little awkward though. This thing is pretty cheap. I think this was like 70 or 80 bucks for stainless. Alright, I mean it seems okay. I'm gonna have to spend some time with it. Now this is the main event. This is the main event right here. This, I've been told, is awesome. I've never touched it. So I'm excited. Yes. Okay. So, these are the ACEDC gamer sliders. Wow, there's a lot of shit that comes with that. So, look at that. These are the holder for it. Oh, I guess there's stickers I can put on them to make them look different. Oh shit, fucking Pokemon one. Look at those pouches, so nice. Okay, let's see here. Ooh. So these are the acrylic ones because that is all I could afford. So because it's acrylic, it's, oh yeah. I guess you can, like, can't you turn it? Oh yeah, you can. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. The feedback is awesome. There's the track it runs on. Whew. So this thing fits right in here. Yes. I don't think I'm going to be putting the stickers on, but who knows? And then this is the other part of it. It's supposed to be like a Game Boy game. So this is the other type. This is the D-pad. Oh yeah. Got a it's basically a haptic coin, and I guess they gave me an extra bearing here. Oh yeah. So this one is a haptic and a clicker, and then the other one is a slider and a clicker. So what do you think? Huh? And then I guess just to get them out, they just sit in there. Oh yeah. See, I'm starting to like acrylic more and more because it's got that popping sound. It's actually very hard to find matching sets of these gamer sliders because they've come out with them in every conceivable style. Cooper nickel, brass, copper. Might want to put this other bearing up in this bitch. This is used, but whatevs. Okay, so this thing goes right in here. Yeah. Oh shit. Right here. Right? this goes to. Okay. Come on, tell me this bearing is for this bullshit. He's probably giving me a fucking bearing for something else, dude. Which is awesome. This is the shit you run into when you order from overseas. You get a bearing made for some other thing that you don't even know what the hell it is. And then if you try to tell them, hey, this wasn't for me, they're like, what? No como? Oh, anyway, I don't need it. I'll probably find something else that will fit. But anyway, highly, highly, highly recommend. These things are freaking baller. Okay, so out of all the shit that I opened up in this box, I would recommend this, and this, and this. These, I'm not sure yet. So, but anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'm going to be doing individual videos on each one of these reviews. But anyway, thank you guys again.